Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare public beta versus developer beta iOS. Understanding the differences is key to choosing the right testing program for your needs. Developer betas are for those who want the absolute earliest look, while public betas offer more stability. We'll explore what each program entails, who it's best suited for, and what to expect when participating. The developer beta is typically the very first version of upcoming iOS software. It's designed for app developers to ensure their applications work correctly with new features and changes. Expect frequent updates and potential bugs that could impact daily use. Access usually requires an active Apple Developer Program membership, which has an annual fee.
On another note, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. It's a smart way to keep your space tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
The public beta program is open to anyone who wishes to participate, free of charge. These versions are released after the developer betas have undergone initial testing, making them generally more stable. While still pre-release software, they are usually more polished and suitable for everyday use, though occasional issues can still arise. When deciding, consider your technical comfort level and how much stability you need. If you're an app developer or enjoy troubleshooting, the developer beta might be for you. For a more stable experience with fewer critical bugs, the public beta is likely a better fit. Always back up your device before installing any beta software.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.